It is human to be angry, but childish to be controlled by anger. Disturbance comes only from within, from our own perceptions. Everything you see will soon alter and cease to exist. Today is a new day. Don't let yesterday's mistakes hold you back. Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. The true hero is one who conquers his own anger and hatred. Don't explain your philosophy. Embody it. Sometimes you find yourself so grateful that a prayer of yours was not answered, that you pray that it be ignored, just in case it is in the waiting list of prayers to be answered. The curse of mortality is the other side of the coin of the blessing of life. Why should I demand from fortune that she should give me this and that, rather than demand from myself that I should not ask for them? Why should I ask for them after all? Am I to pile them up in total forgetfulness of the frailty of human existence? Start now, no matter how small the step. You'll be moving, learning, and progressing while they wait. Usually that which could have been better could have been worse. And if you want to know why all this running away cannot help you, the answer is simply this: you are running away from your own company. If you are pained by any external thing, it is not this thing that disturbs you, but your own judgment about it. It is in your power to wipe out this judgment now. Once you start learning from your problems, you can stop wishing for a life without problems. Assess your actions without bias, and do what is actually best for you. The weaker the desire to change, the further away from now is the moment from which we plan on changing. Don't let pain reside in your heart when it can be used for good. We should not, like sheep, follow the herd of creatures in front of us, making our way where others go, not where we ought to go.